likely, mainly in the afternoon. Not as warm.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cuyahoga County, Geauga County, Lake County until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cleveland Heights and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chardon, Paynesville, East Lake, Chesterland, South Russell, Willowy, Mentor, Burton, Middlefield, Perry. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake.